Bath teas are easy to make, and they also make lovely handmade gifts for all your friends and family. Basically, we take different salts. So we're going to use Epsom salt and Himalayan salt, some dried florals, and essential oils to create calming and purifying bath soaks. So why do people like bath teas? People really enjoy that there are nourishing benefits that you get from soaking in the different salts. People use them for sore muscles, to relieve tension, to reduce stress, and also to soften the skin. The Epsom salts detoxify, they soothe sore muscles, they reduce stress and inflammation. Lavender and chamomile both are calming herbs and they promote sleep. Roses are known to soothe the skin. They add a little fragrance, and they're also really pretty, y'all. They add a little, they make your floral bath salts look really pretty. And Himalayan salt has a natural calming effect for people. Some studies have found that soaking in a warm bath with Himalayan salt can reduce fatigue, stress, and pain, but also increase your feelings of contentment and happiness. So those are all of the benefits of the ingredients that we're using. Yes, there is a recipe on your insert, but I want you to get creative, and you can create anything that you would like with the ingredients that you have on hand. So you do not need to follow this recipe exactly. We're going to be using a plastic teaspoon today because we'll be able to dispose of this, but we are going to use a glass bowl to mix it in. So if you don't have a glass bowl, then I would suggest a disposable, some type of a disposable container. The salts are natural, the flowers are natural, the essential oils are also natural, but we want to be able to either throw away or clean, and essential oils get stuck in plastic. Somehow they soak into plastic, they soak into paper as well, but they do not soak into a non-porous glass bowl. And so you'll be able to wash this with, hot soap and water, and there'll be no trace of the essential oil. So that's why I recommend using a glass. So for this recipe, we're going to combine 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt. 1 teaspoon is clearly smaller than a tablespoon, but 3 teaspoons equal a tablespoon, okay? So we're going to do 3. This is my Epsom salt, y'all. And again, doesn't matter if you want to do heaping, it's all good. All right, so we're going to do 3 of Epsom salt. So that's 1, 2, 3. Ooh. And we're going to do 3 of our Himalayan. 1, 2, 3. I also enjoy that the Himalayan gives it that like slight pinkish color. So I am going to use my roses, and I'm going to use some chamomile today. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of roses and 2 teaspoons of chamomile. If I was going to add the lavender, I would only do like 1 teaspoon of the lavender. I mean, you could do as much as you want. Don't feel confined. All right, so we're going to do, there's 1. I don't know if I can get to my other teaspoon. It's mixed in. Well, it's mixed in. So I'll just do, you know what? Why not? Let's just throw in another one. Let's just throw it all in. See, this is what I mean. It's not an exact science, y'all. And then I'm going to mix this up. Ooh, look at that. Oh, Guess what, y'all? The roses, when I tell you, it smells so good already. All right, I'm super happy with that blend right there. Now you're gonna take the essential oil of your choice, and for this project, I'm gonna use some lavender. All right, so I'm gonna drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drops. I did 6 drops of lavender. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix it all around. And that's it, y'all. All right, so here's how you use your floral bath salts. You have a muslin bag and you have a organza bag. You can use either one of those bags. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop your bath tea into one of those 2 bags. You're gonna hang that bag over the spout of your tub while it fills up with water, right? After your tub is full, then you can take it off and just let it float in the water, almost like you're steeping a tea bag. And then you can go ahead and enjoy your bath. After you're done with your bath, you can empty out your bag. You can just throw this into the trash can. So you can empty out your bag and then you can, hang it up and let it dry so that it'll be ready for you to use the next time. If I was going to give this as a gift, you could use a mason jar. You could use a mason jar and, scoop it all up in the mason jar and then put the lid on, add a bow, make a label, and that would be cute. Like a little mason jar. That would be cute. All right, I hope you have fun making this, and I hope you experiment. Give it a shot. Go for it.